Going to show you how to set up a Google Search Console if you have not done so already. So go ahead and go onto the website search.google.com/search-console/about, or alternatively, go ahead and look up Google Search Console on google.com and search on the first option that pops up. You should see a page that looks very similar to this. We're going to go ahead and click on Start Now. Once you are redirected to a page that looks similar to this, we are going to choose this domain property type. There are two different domain or property types that are available in Google Search Console. The first one is domain, and the second one is a URL prefix. The difference between the two is that a domain property tracks all of the pages on a website. So the homepage, about us, contact us page, and any other pages that you have on your site. And a URL prefix only tracks one specific page. So for example, just the homepage or just the about us page and just the contact us page. So with a domain property, in regards to the SEO project that we are going to be working on with your company, we want to be tracking all of the pages in the entire ecosystem that builds up your website. So we are going to then input your website name here. Make sure that we take out the HTTPS component of it. For this demo right here, we're going to be choosing this website. And once you have that website put in, we're going to click on Continue. Now we're going to go through a verification process. Sometimes it will ask you to set up a DNS record. So on the DNS record, if it does ask you to do this, then go to your DNS website. This would be the website that you purchased the domain on. A very popular option is GoDaddy. Some other options are HostGator or Google websites or Google domains, but we're going to be using GoDaddy as an example here. So if it does ask you to verify your ownership, then you're going to go ahead and find your website on your DNS provider. So in GoDaddy, it will be under here, and then we're going to go ahead and find that domain, click on that domain. And let that load up. And once we end up going to this page right here, we are going to find the quick link that says Manage Domain. So go ahead and click on Manage Domain. And once that loads up, we are going to scroll all the way to the bottom right here and click on Manage DNS under Additional Settings right here. And this is where you're going to be able to find your DNS records. It should take a second to load up, as it just loaded up right here. We are going to add a DNS type, and under this Google Search Console will show you exactly what type of DNS record we need to add, and then the value of that as well. So we're going to choose a type. It should actually be a TXT type. It'll tell you what that name is. It's usually an @ but it may be a little bit different for your Google Search Console. And then that value, go ahead and add that value that Google Search Console will show you right here. And then go ahead and click on Add Record in your DNS records, and then push back to your Google Search Console and then click Verify, and it should verify at that point. Once it is verified, then you have your Google Search Console ready to go, and it'll say that it is verified. You can go to your property and let that load up. and you are good to go. You are now fully set up on Google Search Console.